Hey guys, so if you're looking for a way how you can make the Alexa not working on your lock screen, let's say when you have even the Samsung, the thing is that you need to do, you must set your phone to be unlocked. Use a smart lock with the earbuds. There is no way Alexa is getting past a lock screen. So this is like really important thing to know, and this is something I found that is that maybe. So Alexa will respond when the phone is locked as long as the show on the lock screen setting is toggled on. Turn on respond on lock screen, open the phone settings, choose Alexa, toggle show and lock screen on. So this is something that you can do if you have Moto, but if you have also similar, this is something that you want to do. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit what you can try to do and how you can possibly fix this issue. So thank you very much for watching, and I just wanted to make this quick video because I like to make this quick advice on what you can do with your things, and have a great day and goodbye.